elegant face. Osigi abanyoma merezo. Amani. Our mama by nekene si ama. Kunu yeli ama kunu. Nke yeli na ama mfunu. Echiche nwere onwe ohe nwa bụ eze awo na wisi n'isi unu. Si unu dat na ụwa awahia. Si unu na ụwa awahia. Unu ga-akawa ahụ wee na-eme ife ziri ezi maka na ụwa awahia. Nke ọ bụla imetere n'ụwa ọ nke iji ana maka na ụwa awahia. Ige egwu a mgbe eji igwu egwu a abụrụ ihe today. Mana egwu a ka no current na this our generation, even to next generation to come. Ọ ga-anọtụkwa current n'ụwa awahia. Enwere few people may respond to. Enwere ndị si mụ that na ihe mmeji akpọ Ali Obi bụ I'm afraid of police. I'm afraid of his problem. So today I will address him as Ebuka Obi. Enwekwere ndị si mụ that na ha nụ n'ọnụ mana ekwu nke bi that they will arrest me. Today I will explain to them and I'm going to address Ali Obi Kokomkom as Ebuka Obi today. Maka na ahịa wee Ebuka Obi. Onye ocean can tell you address today. Unu ga-afụ that na enyego Ijele, my son, bear. Yes, enyego bear. Mana bear condition enyenye, enwere ndị mekwa na my comment section na asị mụ, it's not time to ranting. No time to go and bail Ijele. I think it'll be fake life. And even billionaires cannot keep up to 50 million account to her. It's not done. Except you're a poor idiot who knows nothing. Poor people can keep 1,500,000 account to her. Because when they see 1 million, they have no idea what to do with 1 million. They have no budget what to do with 1 million. Man, only passing ike with 50 million, 60 million. They may account here also Diego. It's not done. So I watch more than 200 and something million. I watch it. If in carrier getting to 300, I watch it. But now when 60 million account at Wagomasi, I'm not your auntie query, na de query. Nde. Let Anya see, hey. It's time we start to face reality. Ebuka Obi Ijele. And then I should come back to Nigeria. How is that possible for your own hearing as zombie you are? When Nnamdi Kanu put the one problem in Nigeria, he never give his location. His followers is in London. When Nigeria decide they want to make problem, they want to make case with him, they locate him by force and they bring him back home by force. So a challenge. Ebuka Obi agama na Austria expose Obi na Nigeria. Then Jipa can talk about it again. Are you so coward? Are you coward? Get Ijele proof when you hungry man. If you see the Ijele, you know Ijele bill, you want to win 50 million, I be 60 million. You are a poor man. Nigeria police will criminals. All who are the queer, Chile can call Nigeria police or boys. I mean, they talk about it. I know Mostra. Nigerian police who no join Ali Obi. You people can come to Austria here. Where police do their job well. Where judge do their job well. Where magistrate do his job or her job well. Be able let do the case. If we name Noboda, in prison. More 50 million I can sell all what I have to bail myself out for it. I think a poor problem can person nobody. I don't put my hope on anybody also. When I commit any crime, I carry the cross by myself. I don't put my hope to somebody to carry my cross. You can't tell me to come back to Nigeria. Why you are telling your stupid fools followers, Nipatagego, each of you get a bill of 50 million or hungry man, yeah, Nipatagego, come to Austria. You in on Belgium or Quebec in the last 3 months or the last 2 months. So that means Europe visa and no go to your passport. You can travel anywhere in Europe. Don't give your followers any stupid excuse. Yeah, in Austria here. I don't hide my location like Nnamdi Kanu. I'm not a coward. Nnamdi Kanu was killing people and hiding. I didn't a woman. And when I tell you the truth, if you let him go, then Austria here, let's do the case. If you even be shot even in Austria here, Abuja, my arrangement, Isiagu, Iri Ji Yam, Lagos. There's never room na Lagos. If you can't come here and carry me, bring me to Lagos, close your dirty mouth or and I should come back. Abuja, my arrange, Abuja, Iri Ji Yam, Lagos. Okay, poor masses. All local, everything local, whom they more operate. You see the Batagego? You are a hungry man also. Yeah, the Batagego, in the way, a bill of 50 million. So I should be upward the 50 million. You have to want to do a fake life. All this idiot last him, come back, come back in jail. Nnamdi Kanu is already in cell for 3 years now. How much have you sent to Nnamdi Kanu? How much have you sent to him? Not ranting. You and Nnamdi Kanu have been ranting on social media. On what problem? How much have you sent to him? Idiot. Nigerian police are so corrupt and so useless. Oh, now people tell them, talk on the about with Jeremy. Oh, wow. How can Austria here? Let's do it hand to hand. Yeah, when I actually be on Austria, they should send Interpol. Because we are putting Austria put in Nigeria. The same way she Ghana, Kenya, put Nnamdi Kanu. It's another culture arrest. When you arrest me for Ezioku, I'm not going to give you time. Man, ever 100 years. Nelson Mandela never paid time when they arrest him because someone not Ezioku. And Ezioku can say we're free. Why should I pay you money if I'm speaking truth? Imagine when Ezioku na kazonya. Mbiama support Ijele go generate 50 million for what reason? Or to kunu sha scan amuma. Ijele urumadu. Ya uneji 50 million be Ijele. Then Nnamdi Kanu, how many billions can get here? You have put on non-government in Ili Igbo. You have pushing many policemen in Ili Igbo. Chileke only law course to punish you all. Nashim lota. Since I was Nnamdi Kanu, how many of you have visited him in Abuja there? Onye Kanu should know who na savior. I never call Ijele my savior. He's my son. And I will do something father can do. And I have been doing something as a father to him. But you call Nnamdi Kanu your savior, Ejiji your savior, you ran away. He will a sense. He been on my platform, come back to Nigeria. Your idiot Nnamdi Kanu Ejiji for 3 years. Have you traveled and visited him? He's no more your savior. You are not a great idiot. Or then God punish your papa and your mama. Come back to Nigeria. You said Ebuka Obi, you tell your followers not everything that God does. Your God is a blind God. Your God is a criminal God. Your God is a deaf and dumb God. Oh, that only me go tell you and you can't do it. Not actually Ebuka Obi, you can't do anything. I didn't wrong. I'm not ranting. If you say I'm ranting, then do something. Can I confirm that I'm ranting? If you can't do anything, then you know that I'm not ranting. Prove me and prove your zombies that I'm ranting. Do something. If you're not a criminal, do something. If you're not a criminal, why are you running away from come and make case with me here in Austria? Where you can't pay police, where you can't bribe police, where you can't bribe judge. Come here, let's do the case here. Ever come now. I'm in Austria. I'm not hiding my location. Come now, Austria, listen to Ibatagego. Your money, your local money, keep it. If I have a international case, then now I'm on international. Are you okay? idiot, local zombie. Ebuka Obi, a criminal. And Nigerian judge and Nigerian police, criminals. The reason why I want to involve Nigerian police and their judge, I want them to mingle together so they can be involved in Interpol in this case. Kunu confirm how Njaba works. Kunu confirm how Njaba works. If you send Njaba there alone, then come and carry me here. Or come and do case with me here. You can't bribe police here. You can't bribe judge here. They will do their job accordingly. In a bill of 50 million and the Ebuka Obi and his followers are a bunch of fools and lies. From the beginning, everyone kept Traditionen arrest. Last, Ebuka Obi a show face, no arrest. Yes, 2 guarantee. They demand 2 guarantee, but they never said 2 guarantee with a house that worth 5 billion. Lagos. You want to burn down my house in Lagos? Can you the east? Now you fools, you criminals, want to know my allocation in Lagos? Who will just destroy all my property in Lagos? I see how you people do it. No katamabia jimu to please you fools. Oh maji, neji material things. I don't pass that level also. When on that category to be showing material things, I see how you people burn down my jeep. Am I lying? My jeep walk. The little material things that I show you fools, who were greediness destroy all them. It seems you look another one. Kunu je wa yoku, all non-government from east. Bara night boss, I will destroy all my property in Lagos. Chileke unu li loku, God punish you all also. Indian America. Did I look to you like Indian America? And one American on your compound. Indian America rule 2 rooms. I give 20 years and rule 2 rooms. The Indian query. Indian American, and when you are American, my kindred, 20 years. Some of them, even 20 years, they are still building house. They are still building the same house. All them are Putashina, and 50 million, come and pay Ijele. Hungry people in America, Chileka America is the worst place you can go to survive. I'm telling you reality. I'm telling you by experience. Iji is gone. And when they get in America, how long could you rule on a boom? More how long could you achieve your property? Criminals everywhere. It's around my fake life near to gone. I'm thinking them with 50 million account. I'm at me hedge again. Major with 50 million. They made account on and the business now we never leave 50 million account. Ije do Obi Kubana Ogagodi. Na want to know Obi Kubana. Obi Kubana so I share with that state of account here. Ya go 50 million account make I die. But Obi Kubana may worth even $1 billion. He may worth $1 billion. Man, 50 million on account Obi Kubana. If he say I'm joking, ya with that state of account here. Let's see it. Umi believe then they hungry people there. Ebuka Obi Ijele your donation. I got a church, you got donate 4 million, I donate 10 million, and you 100 plots of land. You will not get that 50 million as long as I consign. You are not going to take Ijele no Kudia. You are not there. For you not to get it, we refuse. You a criminal. We are not going to give it to you. Even if we have it in our account now, we are not going to give it to you. Ijele will demand. Come and beg Ijele not to rant it. Your leader, your savior, Nandekalo, is another savior. Holy, 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 Nandekalo. IPOB, one family. Your papa, one family, there for prison 3 years. You ran away. What have you done? So you get brain to tell us how to come and pay 50 million to beg Ijele. But your daddy, one family, holy, non a prison for 3 years. Have you even go and visited him? Chileka Ogoku. Ngamloku na money. Ebuka Unuga no money, Unuga Madi. Fools, zombies everywhere. The reason why I'm calling Ebuka Obi today by name, tag everybody you know. Nasigi, Nonugi, Mane Ubi, they will arrest you. Tag that idiot here. Call Ishi no this or watch this video. Oh, excuse back again tomorrow. Tag any idiot you have ever listened. Anybody that I see called Namu I see Ebuka Obi is a criminal. Oh, a criminal call. He's a criminal. God didn't answer him. Or the Onegi Seraphic water. Onegi Seraphic oil agent. Onegi Seraphic pure water borehole. Onegi Seraphic bamboo. Onegi Seraphic handkerchief. Or Rusia case in Iri Ji Yam or involve one lawyer. Not only to involve lawyer, and then get bill 50 million. If you didn't involve Oshi, you got no you got 50 million. This is how you fools as zombie you fools are. If you got Ijele should bring 50 million. Who got that Futia? Kedi for commit Roja 50 million. Oh Oshi, Ebuka Obi Wonyoshi. Ebuka Obi Wonyoshi. What are you using Oshi? And as long as I live it, okay, you teach that Oshi. And as long as I live it, Ijele will come out. Apparently, Ijele got put Apahana brag since he will never come out. 20 years, he's still in prison. Kitana, and they go back. Kamade will come and praise me. Nanjaba is working. If I you stop ranting, come and pay 50 million. Okay, so who the equator go? You people cannot hold Ijele again. Uno make can approve, uno make you accept. That no ranting, no get 100 million years myself. Ijele should remain there. Ijele should remain there. For 90-10 years, Ijele I will not come. He faints 3 times in a day. Una na rant ne kueri. Na rant ne kueri. Kita ne give a bell. Una change the topic. As I will come and pay 50 million. You can't tell yourself you were ranting since now Ijele will never come out. Now get a near bell. Your Ebuka Obi said that he will hold Ijele 2 years till on Facebook. Okay, 50 million like it of Ijele be on Facebook. I get that your 50 million on Facebook. I get that make 50 million. Say more, whatever I say, I stand on that one. I think me hear ranting. I think me hear bet Naija. He guess we guess what. Mom be na jakashiri geze. Rifra fu di Ebuka Obi. Be na jakashiri that idiot eze. The other day, also, ni one wine when you get on another state. It's none of my business. But the reason why Ebuka Obi now got the girl not on another state. In Yemen TV Joshua. Go and watch Bisola. Bisola said that now the TV Joshua them do. On the whole girls on a church here. And they were going to TV Joshua and on a late check it. Matter how long go take it to go and see daddy, name. Matter how long go take it to come down. Ya Igbo Geba, if you are Angela TV Joshua, don't walk. When TV Joshua funa winye na ebe a business, TV Joshua chuku winye na synagogue kana again. Member of the church now volunteer himself. Nye TV Joshua duplex ebobi. TV Joshua is free na asu wine lila. Ebuka Obi will never keep his wife. Ko ti shashin dem na aba be na church gi. Nde no Lagos be na church gi. Nde no Anambra be na church gi. Iluzie nwa ije demie na aba. Onwe e gi church gi ahosi enso. Church gonna someone you deal so. Oh, I didn't do the business. Because wine won't ha. We will catch you and you all got to for one day. The same thing that happened to TV Joshua will happen to your church. That's which actually each them no way. One no anyway, why Nigeria they are so stupid. Oh, phone you anywhere, you go be long. Rama a problem. Rama atamu Ebuka, adi manamu yamba. Manam patamu Ebuka bi ni ro wine. Idemi any Imo state, ma bi anamu ye Imo state. Promise I said that one also to let that go. Raya video you post on social media. That we give from okay event na. You know. No go dey na, we dey gba pe akọ. If one is our run away, that Egypt touch and flow so to let that go. The long why Idemi any Imo state, if you yama na hu ye ga hu gem. Ina ahụ ma awo be na church ni iwere nwa idemi Imo state mana agba ticket la water. Long while you na him come back. Ebuka Obi long while today dey Imo State. If you not see me next month in Imo State. Kamba gina mu ade me hearanting. I said whatever I know. I'm very 100% I'm going to do it. Without looking any idiot face. Ishi deceive one man. You long one man dey Imo State. Dey Anambra State. But you are advertising. You dey Anambra dey one your church. Na Lagos. You dey na Calabar dey one your church na Lagos. You lose one. Who you go see who mommy Gio. You dey Anambra mo dey Imo State. Kena no ma bobi. Oh, they will see what I'm saying. Unu niile na afu ihe am na afu. Mana you fools, the reason why you all let Jagala church Ebuka Obi o na-eke 1 million. Oh no, when you when do get your turn. 1 million and ki na-ede. 2 million ki na-ede. Next week, you borrow thing, gila thing e prank Ebuka Obi na pia 1 million. Di mu kwuru m ihe nya. Eche m isi di ma chụwa m ọsọ, mgbawa ọsọ. Every day, give na akumi ihe. On a lot on late. On a Igbo. On a mmanya daddy. On a akumi ihe daddy. Idiot. You never onye ha 2 million. He feel any nye ego. Ina pu ha 10 million. She need 10 million. We 2 million. Nye ndi genye every week. Did you know how much you are making there? So ya Sarafic water. You know how much you are making for selling Sarafic water. Now this is zombie sitting on that place. So in watch na Zion na akuku ugwa no in watch. Prove me wrong if I'm lying. In watch you must pay. And when they are na kazo, if you take in watch. If you need just to time million, you need to like a million roga fast. And when they are na kazo to sell you what immediately. Ndo timbu, and we timbu diana. And we went up with one girl. Near me interview. The girl I see that now. The girl was saying, on a nego feed. Can connect to Ebuka Obi. Them themselves bring out that girl. Many interview. The girl the reason why they interviewed that girl because the girl was playing her own lonely. He was playing solo. Or not in their group, not their crew. You must join to their crew. I'm gonna go in make it. I'm gonna go and man, that girl, he now be playing her own role solo. Here. What of those? And when they 1,000, he put a million. And you have 1,000, I'm saying it with evidence. With evidence. Why are you not stopping those people now? Namadego, Ijebutre Hamil. In how more are there in Sarafic water? Of Charafancha, if you didn't make any pampas. Of Charafancha, if you didn't miss J1. But you idiot to say that me for back and mother. He got 15 years ago. For 15 years to come. Mr. Ibu, after your prayer, your unku ministry, on a 2 months, Ebu Pioku. If you are Nejibu Pioku in 2 weeks or 2 months' time to come. Of Charafancha. I need that information. He put in a Guamma. I'm out with the solution. How many of them? And make a new solution. How market? Mr. Ibu up at a new solution. How market? And when one man in jail, my son who post he be in December or run a January, that man I want a very area. After giving the picture, Ishana, Mau to Gawana, Moke Gotor, the man as he yes, you in a fools or daddy. He barely a break among with Yakunoto. He barely a break all 1 month after your prayer, he died of Charafancha. A prophecy with solution. In our scam, the reason why people are coming there is because of this 1 million you are sharing. Because they don't have bread, now they no offering. In Natagodi, 5 naira offering, 50 naira offering. Now crowd will learn. You will be making every day you gather this zombie. You are making not less than 5 to 10 million naira every day. Or in a week, in a Holy Ghost meeting, you go, you put in your family 2 million, in your 1 million, and I'm year in a cake. You will 8 million, Tigani in my pocket. You put in a rant in the Patagego. Yauni Patagego, prove your followers now, and a rant. Come here, let's do the case here. If you win me here, I can't see ever, ni bribe police, ni bribe judge. If you win me here, that means more and I go. But if I come to Nigeria, or suddenly you are going to win me, let me general support from the police. Can the police it is against? Let me tell the Nigerian police information. The way I get she got wrong way, because non-government no Nigerian, the same Nigerian criminality police. Ebuka Obi Ijele girlfriend. Ijele share with her 50 million. Ebuka Obi, if you are not a criminal, Ijele bail of 50 million. If you are not a criminal, each of 50 million. I'm here. I'm in Austria. They are here now. If you can't come, send Interpol with your money as you claim. Each 50 million. Then send Interpol here. Send Interpol to come and carry me here with your 50 million. If you have such money, send them to come and carry me. If they cannot come, come by yourself with your God. Can you job a disgrace say you and that your God na Austria here? Because you can never buy Austria here with money. Egole Iji azu police Austria here. Iji azu police Austria. Egole Iji aku George Austria. Iji azu George Austria. How they be accordingly? Ebuka Obi, I call you criminal. All he did in your petition. I never raped your wife. You look at the one. I never raped your mother. Your mother was ugly old black woman. Any money. Free of charge. Any money 50 million. I got a dinner money. When you look at the type of woman I marry, he got man with a high test on such like a Goku. Any money 50 million, I got a million. If you think you go, let's do the case here. I never raped your mother. I never come to your ministry and fight. You got a petition. Now they are in your ministry, they are war. You got a day in a petition. Now they are in your ministry. Rep, what is your hookup with girls in Anadia? You got a day in your petition. Now they are never law. If you get in your petition, now who has you Yoshi? Yes, you are a criminal. Austria get beat where. You had the reason why I call you criminal. In another Madego, in a miracle. In another Madego, you have false hope. In an apito, Diego, yes, again, for them back. I say father, and your father, no them back home in Enugu State. In whom no them back to our own wine in Enugu State. Mbaka, you can still join Ebuka Obi. Now, Musi Nimuka Shalom Muna Enugu State. Mamu Loma and Kena Gugu, but on social media, she don't go at Loma from the horse's mouth. You hear it. Then a petition, they bring go. Ebuka Obi and 2 girls now your church in evidence. Then a petition, then a house here. Now court ever come down man approve all those pictures. Now court. I only have Facebook. I will prove those pictures. We put those girls on call. New magistrate. Cut this place. Cut them. Oboda. Ibiasi na mu asu Igbo. How can other translate on then asu Igbo? I translate George Oboda what I said in asu Igbo. Ka George what him nebu. Can Superman English give wiki court your woman? I have evidence of 2 girls that you are sleeping with in that your ministry. Come here, write it in your petition. Then they will ask me to prove it. I'm going to bring the pictures of those girls, provide their numbers. We are going to call them in front of the court and ask them, interview them, and you hear by yourself that you are sleeping with them. I also call you criminal, fake arrangee. You will bring this lucky Jonathan. You and Jonathan did arrange, open eye arrange. He got what Jonathan. From the interview we had, Jonathan said somebody connect him to your church. The next day you were praying in open heaven and shouting, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire. Can't you see? The key refused to open. The key is the tarantara. Immediately I repair my hand on it. The key opened. All criminality, all scam. If you think I'm joking, come, can I make a sound of that? Come with your lawyers, come with your chief. Don't come alone because he come alone. I will beat you, join her. I'm not going to give a join her. Then query. I won't keep on a How long is Nigeria going to suffer? Police are worsening the case. Judge are doing the case more worse. Every day you stay in church doing fasting and prayer. And fasting and prayer you did last year. What is the result of your fasting and prayer last year? Get the result. Nigeria, Last year, fasting and prayer 100 days. Tinubu abataloche, dollar area, euro area, pounds area, everything area after your 100 and fasting days. What is the result? Ishi Chikokwe Hana this year, in our on Facebook, a pastor or evangelist, name content creator on Facebook, now on Facebook. More on Facebook, and my Facebook is not monetized. And I'm not going to monetize this my page. This page is our Mama Kingdom. I will never monetize it. Why did you monetize your page in heaven, open heaven, and 100 days fasting? Because you are a hungry man. Because you need money. Because you are poor, Richard zombie like your stupid father. I don't insult your father, join them. They in a petition. When you come here with your father, we prove to government over that how stupid your father is. Because if your father is not stupid, electrical pass, he could have opened you business of electrical pass. And Yahoo, your stupid father open that business for you. He getting a zoshi in the zoo today. He getting a zuzu in the zoo today. You will not be doing 100 days fasting. You will not be doing open heaven prayer. Hope needing the open every day by day. Nigeria is going worse daily basis. Accident, no good road with your 100 and fasting prayer. With your open heaven. Heaven will open make a blessing. If you open a door na window. Door na window. Na in your computer. Door na window computer. Let that heaven open. Can Nigeria demand? For where? Your God is a blind God. He's a criminal. That's why, before I forget again. I said that now your members, I know many of your members now who drug. They are into drug business. Put this one on your petition. I will prove it to Ndeke Oboda. And they know I know them. Some of them who my friend in Pakistan. Some of them who my friend in Pakistan are into drug business. Drug business, cocaine. They are selling cocaine. The reason why I'm saying this in English, for you, Ikoshi, Ejimi Igbo, Ununarajashi, Ikori Alikalistic, or Ebuka Obi, I want to maintain so they cannot give you any excuse again. Many of your members are drug dealers. I said so. Put it in your petition. I'm going to prove it to this country, to the law of this country. That whatever I say, I stand on them. I don't want to be mentioning their name now, but when I get you in court, I mention their name, I bring proof. Even you, the year I'm in a business, and they pay business has from this country to this country, not even with evidence. Man no have the carrier that carry the business and travel. I will bring the thing, bring my flight ticket here, bring the date, whatever I will be saying, and I got a system, and I fear. Then you will know that I will not come and make case for you in Nigeria. If I come to Nigeria to do case with you, for sure you may win me, because Nigerian court are poor zombies. Government don't pay them salary. They are on credit. That's why they are stealing. If they are paying them salary, they will not be stealing. Nigerian police, man again na road, na 200 and na 50 naira. Man person engage in Nigerian police 1 million. Nigerian police will kill somebody for you, say. Oye na makun etiti anu, ngamini na ezo for because of 200 naira. In 1 million, he is ready to kill somebody for you. So I will never do case with you in Nigeria. If you are waiting for me in Nigeria, let me be open to you now. I will never come to Nigeria. So know that I will never come for you to stop waiting. I lose nothing there. I forget nothing there. If you are waiting for me to come, you are deceiving your followers. Because I'm saying it open. I will never come there. Nigeria is nowhere to visit. If I want to visit African country, I go to Cameroon, where I was born. Not to Nigeria. Jonathan Emeginihu and these your zombies, they still didn't see anything. And you are a criminal. If you are not a criminal, you see me, but I get go, can I go a movie? But I get go. Carry your money, come Austria now. Make we do the case here now. With your lawyers, why don't have flight tickets? Why don't we flight tickets? Be able to make a case with me. If you can't do it, you're a coward. How can I expose you and still come and meet you? Are you so coward? ego of Ili na you should spend there na case. Me spend where na Ijele case. Or losing my own case, you don't want to spend it because I'm international madman. And when international madman done with you, go and ask Nnamdi Kanu how market. Kokologi. Unu si na mjere were ego tiga na mmiri njaba is doing nothing. Mana nyere ni Ijele be. Unu say I was wasting time and money. Kita ene gi ebe. O mere unu nihu ko medu unu nihu. Enye gi Ijele be ke enye di ebe. Mana be because they have no choice. But when Njaba visited them and give them instruction, they have no choice. The choice they have now to still hold Ijele or to still claim that they are holding Ijele all 50 million. How is that possible? Ya go to advance Ndanambra Ndoshi. Let me insult Anambra small. Let me insult Anambra people small. Because more, after me nutrition everywhere, so I will never come back to that country again. I want to shit everywhere. Everywhere. Can you share any road where I pass? Noyanshi. I pass this one, Noyanshi. I pass this one, Noyanshi. Who now got for my leg there? Again. Oh, Iwaji Cholom Biebem Nona. He collect all your once. First come, first collect. You have to come. Here who first come, first collect. I want him first go, first collect. No. I when he went to Shikin Amo, first go. No. Oh, first come, first collect. You have to come, no Muwagi. Yapan no Muwagi, you seal your mouth and sit down, go. Makani wogo. Mua first come, first collect. You have your own Wagadia, no Muwagi. Oh Muwagi, now you have to come. You collect all immediately. If you say you are not going to collect it, then come, Ebuka Obi, come. Can buy you overdose. Kimara that Namu Akwadro Fuma. Obudom no a truthful country. And that's why I'm not afraid of you fools. I'm not afraid of you murderers. I'm not afraid of you criminals. I'm not afraid of you murderers, killers, zombies. You can't come here and kill me just like that. You can't come here and arrest me just like... Police has no right to arrest me, Loboda. Except if I commit crime. If I do against the law. Police will never take me to cell. Where they will take me is to magistrate or court to get decide if I am going to cell or not. Not police. Police will peace people. They come to make peace, not to arrest. Even if at all me commit, they arrest you. They are not going to take you to cell direct or to prison direct. No. Ever they take you to court. Court will now judge the case. Obroka Nigeria. Police get taken in a street now. Brugi wo nime say without judge, without case, without approval of you going to cell or prison. Ever they organize. How with electricity? Their system is working. Everything is authentic. I'm working in this country. I'm paying tax in this country. I'm a first class citizen in this country. I was go the Niko for man Oboda. If you want to make problem with me, then come here in Austria. Come disgrace, say your God. If you think your God will see road, your God will make a fancha, and Ebuka Obi, come in Austria, let's do it here. At least here, I'm 100% now when the hammer ibe man. I got any excuse. No, Ebuka Obi don't bribe Austrian police. Ebuka Obi don't bribe Austrian judge. No. When you win me, you win me. I got my when I win you, I got my without me putting 1 naira. I got my Ishi. No, put tax. Need a lawyer. Oboda get your lawyer free of charge. Free of. I got my lawyer 1 naira. Go and verify. Go and ask question. If I need lawyer, they give me lawyer free of charge because I'm paying tax. That's the reason why I'm paying tax. And if Nigeria are paying tax, are doing things normally, nobody will be going to church. My wife, who a church goer in Nigeria, when I came over there, at least on honor, nobody would do in street now. He see that now it's not about brain, it's about in the morning. Maybe the Jemon on here, the Jemon. I didn't ever check a miracle with Hanel. No. I wake up in the morning, I go to work. When I come back from work, I make sure that we have something to eat at the table. Not praying. Praying put something on my table. Me and my wife. I hear good on my name. In the morning, I wake my ass up. I go and hustle. Come back after my work time. Then I have 1 or 2 hours or 3 hours to spend discuss with my wife before the night comes for me to sleep, to wait for the next day. Only weekend like Saturday, Sunday, I'm free. I'm overtime having. And you can't see me in the church. Jicho in a church. You can't African day church na Gula Gary la street with the slippers etc. With the one trouser all the whole day. And I got my name moto, they preacher na nego na moto. Matu guru Bible, they are taking a moto. Now see, may God grant your journey safety. May God make you safety. Or chilotu, or she brother, unu gacho pastor egon pastor egon ni, because he is jobless. Because he is jobless. And as long as you are jobless, you are a criminal. Because a lazy man is a devil workshop. As long as you are lazy, as long as you don't have any occupation, you don't have any job, devil can use you at any fucking time. I want you all to tag all these Ebuka Obi media warriors here. Now, who are Ebuka Obi today? Now, I'm not coming to Nigeria. Stop wasting your time writing a comment section. Come to Nigeria. Come to Nigeria. If you are a man, come to Nigeria. If Ebuka Obi is a man, he should come to Austria. If you are a man, come to Nigeria. I never tell you that I'm a multi-millionaire. Ebuka Obi say he's a millionaire. He should come with his money to come and make case with me here. Nevertheless, before I go, Ijele, king of the game, Ebuka Obi, you can never stop truth, no matter how you hold Ijele. At least when we see Nelson Mandela, we give ourselves hope. Nelson Mandela didn't bribe anybody to make many arrests. Nelson Mandela didn't fight anybody to make many arrests. Did you see any person from Ijele come and fight in Zion ministry? No. Did you see anybody from Ijele come and kill somebody in Zion ministry? No. Nelson Mandela didn't fight, made many arrests. His followers didn't fight, made many arrests. He didn't give dime, made many arrests. He spent 20 years. But when he come out after 20 years, or maybe 22 years, he become a South African president, the first black man that ruled South Africa as a president. All victory. But everything have a price to pay. I have to give 50 million. Because I can't keep 50 million on my account. I'm a businessman. 50 million can do 1 or 2 things for me. They generate more money. How can I be so stupid with 50 million? They will I go and sell something daily income to come and belly jelly to come and belly jelly with the mad. To come and belly jelly with the mad. Because who to use Yoshi? Because can prove to you fools na ego. Make I prove to you na ego. I now encourage you and Nigerian police and Nigerian judge to continue scamming people. Ijele have 50 million now. After 2 months, because when Ijele come out, he will never close his mouth. After 2 months, she's okay, not 100 million. No, we know what we are doing. We are not stupid fools. We are not zombies like you fools. I want to call Uche. Once a truth, we a truth. And if a man is yoku, I have the you die. Even if we have it 100 billion, I have the you die. Says more. That you fools can never get. We can, you provide something that worth 100 million, 200 million. We can provide that one and sign. But doesn't mean that now, if you arrest Ijele tomorrow, you go and own the property of the person that signed. No, the property didn't belong to Ijele. When Nnamdi Kanu, guarantee a release here. When they are looking for Nnamdi Kanu, did they go and arrest Enyanyi? No. Till they give Nnamdi Kanu back. So if you want us to provide something that worth 100 million, Now, we are going to provide it, but not to give you food to time. Says Mua. If that one no a problem, we will provide it and beg Ijele tomorrow or even today. But here knowing you no time, we are not going to encourage such corruption. I'm not a person of corruption. I never support corruption. I never partake in corruption, and I will never encourage corruption. When we give this money, we are already encouraging corruption. Echile, unu gide one person name kwero onwe ezioku, unu ashike watakwa 50 million. Nijele onye kisses no watala 50 million. Or uzi omenala. Because Ndi Igbo si na ihe obula agbara afọ, o wolo omenala. We cannot give such encouragement. Ya no oboda, ibe mam oboda shinje wata 50 million. Even if I provide 50 million oboda to bail myself, oboda will arrest me till I bring evidence how I make that 50 million in one place. And I call that nonsense here. 50 million. Oboda will arrest you because you provide 50 million. They will arrest you, Makachileke. They will first check your income. They're going to kill money in a month. They're going to kill and spend in a month. How long have you been working? A check came in, when you give that long, you will save such amount. They are going to check it. You can't save such amount to know how long you have been working. They will arrest you. In a zoshi, each resulted that 50 million. So Nigerian police are encouraging Yahoo. Nigerian police are encouraging people like Evans Anambra. Evans a kidnapper. Nigerian police are encouraging all these criminals. That's why I call Nigerian police criminals. And when they ask Iwaji, not all. Me, I say all. If they are not all, when the few good ones will see that they give Ijele 50 million bells, they should come and stand for Ijele. And as long as none of them come and stand, that means all Nigerian police are criminals, says Mua. Here a petition. Has said the Interpol Obuda. Then query. Onoshi. Each of the 50 million. Ijanu your branch in Imo State. Now you cannot pray for your God to give you money. But other people, you will pray for them. Can't charge the Kiburike. Can't charge the Kiburike. If you want 50 million, you get a be that 50 million. Last, you have to acknowledge non-Jaba Hijarunu because we are planning to hold them. Ijonu isi, nige jijonya hutilo yego. Kiti jele na yozi ego. Why are you giving him bed? Ke ije ni ebe. Or your lego. Or only 2 years. Isn't it when they keep you steady? They keep you busy. 247 till 2 years. I never even 6 months everybody. And you give bed. All Jaba doings. And your fools need to know no Jaba doings. When you first one in Jaba, has she not query? Came back get exposed willing. Came back Jonathan key block pad. Exposed, Mr. Igbo exposed, Emeka Nini exposed. Many of them are exposing all Jaba doings. It's a million €100 for Ishi Nandikal, Aguba Nandikal, T. Menga, all Jaba doings. Nandashi, he will get me one day. Manana Bukedoin on a cage kita. Muwashi he will get the free. A guy, Yamane Tom Yaga get him on a cage. That's why I tell you, Ebuka, if you come here to make case with me, you will enter cage. If you say I'm joking, I'm lying. If what I go now, isn't what I go. What I go. Chukweni did fight you for. Even if your God can fight, can help you to fight me. But send that your Holy Ghost fire where they send for your program. Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Send them to me. Ali Gobi. Send your Holy Ghost fire to me. Send your Holy Ghost fire to me. If you cannot come here and make problem with me and make case, send your Holy Ghost fire. If you can't do any one of these, then tell your followers, has the issue over her. Makamba, Kachopam the issue over himself. Because far my Kalilifa. And those morons, not even a comment section cannot see him. I don't know you, you don't know me. Bana your leg. And when the sacrament you come like a if you want me to come to Nigeria, and you want to help Ebuka Obi to fight me, buy Ebuka Obi tickets. The same way I should bring 50 million to bail Ijele. If buy Ebuka Obi ticket, Oja Abi Ostra. Ni visa Oja Abi Ostra, Oga Abia. Oga Dashigimba. So sponsor his movement to come here. How me and him going to battle this case now here in Austria. If you can't do such, Zuzu Fuebo is a Chile Carbon and Nangoku. Tag all the whole media warriors of zombies who Musayon. Can I see that Namagatipa has the issue because soon I may go to Njaba. So me, dear hand Chali to Njaba. Une Janu no fear. Ogane Munu Kafim. Because Yao Ogane Munu Kafim, Unu Gebufu. Ogane Munu or Njaba is our Nevenia. Una Shimba. Or the Panjaba Menia. Una Shino will call Panjaba. But when you people are confused, 100% normal and Java Lemia, Una Unu Shebufum. Ogane Munu ko Wejo ko Washi confirm. Man, whatever I go to Java and said, it must surely come to pass. Man, Ogane Munu Naya Kafim. Man, the real Coco or there to pass, it will come to pass. If you want to tell yourself the truth, you will hear 100% non-Java Megia. If you want to deceive yourself, it's simple holding Java Megia. Then you keep on deceiving yourself. That go all the whole media warrior of zombies Zions. Has the issue with her. Because when they provoke me anywhere, they are playing on their land. None of them have mentioned my name. Well, I have mentioned all my name, man and a half ago. Then I will come for them as usual. Call this place and tell them, Namusi, they should mention my name if they are ready to carry my battle. And they have occasion and how it out. All the Nobudo Ebuka Ali, what is your achievement? All the EG 20 years, the poor block, Ishima Lagila Biaba wall on Facebook. I think I'm Tonko Ili. In America, boy, 20 million years, nothing to prove. No. If you want to provoke me, Bare Buko ticket, call the Austria here, come on, money, I may China. If she don't go about your ticket, can submit his Zema Hagan Java, King of Family Java gaming. Chile Capo Goko. One become the noon with the flavor as they issue Java. I have a colossal. Ima na Bobble awo potaranka ola dekwa keo aru keo tonda keo patonda and when they Chikoroma and they judge in Nigeria, they are all poor masses and they are all criminals. Njapa believe from the day going at here Georgia and don't know black here rule you is many a better without being told, without being informed. Ige fake canon. Ige were nka fake canon. Jemi tie the judge, pele that ibe. We are with Oluoma. Na ya di eni 50 million obula. We don't have 50 million to give him. With Oluoma. And the we are ya acquire that statement with Oluoma. Ya oni bacha with Oluoma. Onulu ya Ofilie Ebuka Obi Ijele ego ka ha zo Ebuka ka ha zo Ijele oshi. Mba keki gaga ke agazie. After ka ke jere zi ozi, this one gazie no biki ga apu ya. Itu ya no obi orewa ahu. O ga yagide and o ga diri ya late. Ichoputa no Ijele oji na aria till ori ishie. O ga eri ishie. Ishie oji ya ga-eme ihe ijirie ka onye ishie and ya ishie Alika Obi ga-apụta na pulpit ya ahụ kwuo na George kpere ikpe ahụ na orie na ndị abụ elu olie. Then we come again with another formula to prove the world na anyị kwadoro akwado ọfụma. Alika Obi file na ya akwadoji ọfụma ya chọrọ anyị bịa anyị agaghị acha Alika Obi eje. Ihe mesend ya with the spiritual realm of Njaba will visit him. Njaba visit the whole court, destroy all the whole case concerning Ijele. Like I go and submit it to Njaba. More personally, I will never visit them in Nigeria. I will go to Nigeria, but whenever I want to go. Not by them telling me to come. When I'm ready to go tomorrow, I will go and they can't do shit. Whenever I'm ready to go, I will go. And they can't do shit, says me. But if they are waiting for me, they never see me, and they are keep on waiting. tell them to come here. Let's do the case here. Where they can't buy police, where they can't bribe judge. Let's do it here. So they will come here and go back with the disgrace. Now, the media warriors of Zion Ministry, Ebuka Obi, they have anywhere, how can I learn her sense? How my level, how my respect. As long as they never come to my table, I will never make them to collect. Nothing concerns me with them. How about we just run? How about we would delay? Also, how about we anything? But any day they mention my name, and we will come for them. I can buy half in. Camera that you can't call my name from getting. Mua warishi, mua wokoji, mua webubawo bezawo, mua webubendi Igbo bezawo, mua wibigiawo, mua wodopuo, mua fearless kenge, mua with the password, mua with the pin code, mua wanugbe jekenge, mua first confess collect, mua wofuonye one man squad, mua. Ekusigo mgo ham nono. Aya so wi tigi o mere unu n'ihu. Ihe obla ị na-eme anyị na-eme n'ihu unu. So when the result will be happening, ọ ga na-happen kwa n'iru unu. Mana unu ga na-afụta ya like it is sure. No ihe eze awo mere. Ka o nwere ike ọwụ dị ya, o nwere ike ọwụ ya. Because when you are 100% sure no unje abala alụ ọlụ, you will start planning how to kill me. That's why they kill my senior brother. They killed the first son of Chukwuke. Our second son. Nobody can kill me. Try, you fall. You can't kill me. You are too small. You all, Chikotono together, all too small. Now they try. Our mama, they try. If you know our mama, they come and carry me. Bujem Beze, Ishi, they cut my dreadlock. Their target was to kill me. They tell me if I come back, they are going to kill me. This is the dreadlock. Ishi, okay, invitation, I'm coming. Okay, Kaibo Kwankenke. How would you be there on Facebook? As I will come back to Nigeria, caught on eventually Kuna, which I have the Kobe. When Ali Kobe mentioned my name, the same way he has been mentioning names of those he are attacking. When he mentioned my name to come back to Nigeria, I give Ali Kobe 10 days to be in Nigeria. Cut this place and go and give it to him. As poor he is, that he cannot come here to make case for me. He can't do it. Now he should stay in his pulpit and tell me, no, but I go for me. Now, move to Nigeria. Here he requested from Yawan. I requested this from Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu ran away. He didn't do it. But a madman going on the street talking rubbish. As he mentioned my name, Mbumo Koki and Ashim come back home. As she go and tell him now the Kalu, same what she mentioned on madman going on the street talking rubbish. Yashota mentioned on Shimbatana Nigeria. 10 days he will see me. Ndemba will go like this. Hey, boy, Ndawo. I tell them to mention my name. They mention my name. And 10 days I was there in Nigeria. They come in my house to carry me. I allow them to carry me. But last, they start fighting each other. All Java doings. Immediately they cut my hair. Planning to enter the next level of what to do to me. Immediately, they start fighting each other. Some anashi, mubiala, some ashi mumba, nagebu, some ashi onyo blood metres awaka today. I gebu Ishi. They now start fighting each other. Ya the same thing Bible over no when they chori je fuchi neke. But when gahagadu, language change je hanon ashi madu je without block, je without mini. They start fighting each other. Over life, nando. It happened live. So when he mentioned my name, 10 days, I will come to Nigeria. Can know that I'm not running. I also said, Ejijim na Nigeria 20 years. I'm not in a hurry. I think my boss, I think my chok. My most important thing, my main target, whenever I come out with victory. I will never give 1 naira to Nigerian police to bail myself. When they decide to hold me there 20 years, I'm good to go. When they decide to hold me 10 years, I'm good to go. But at the end of the day, if I enter cell because of Ebuka Obi, mpụta cell ahụ, Ebuka Obi ga-confirm ya, maka mma agba ya ka ahụ, ọ ga-confirm ya. No wrong person go to the challenge, no wrong person. Ekusigo many different challenges. Enwe nke choice unu na-ebi